Hello my girlies, welcome back to another makeup video. Today we are doing a Santa look, and as you can see I am getting straight to it. So I'm obviously starting off by covering up my facial hair because being a trans girl is hard, of course. I did foundation, I did concealer, and now I'm just blending that all in there to cover up that nasty hair. Then I'll go ahead and use some of my favorite blush. This is a really cute like Hello Kitty blush, which I am obsessed with, and I've used it in like literally all my makeup looks recently. It just looks so beautiful. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up a little bit of highlight just because I like a little shimmery cheek. Then I'll go ahead and primer up those eyes. Everyone, primer is important, okay? Then I'll go ahead and choose my colors. I'm doing a red because obviously we're doing Santa, okay? This is basically a trans Mrs. Claus. So I'm obviously going to be doing a lot of red. And then I'll go ahead and do my other eye, of course. Then I'll go ahead and do some green just because it is a Christmas look after all, and red and green are of course the colors of Christmas. So green, I'm going to do green basically around the red. So I'm going to go ahead and do green like on the inside, like more on the inner part right there where I'm doing. Go around and then also touch up on the outer side of my eye. And then I'll go ahead and obviously do my other eye. Then I'll go ahead and do some shimmer because like obviously you guys know your girls gotta do shimmer. So I'm gonna do just basically red shimmer on both eyes, and that is basically it. Then I'll go ahead and stamp my eyeliner. You guys know this technique already. I stamp with a bobby pin, and this just is so much easier for me to get my wing. So this is basically just me doing my eyeliner. Then I'll basically just do my next eye. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes. Curl them lashes, girl. Go ahead and do my mascara. Then I'll do my other eye, and then I'll be ready to do the glue on the lashes and go ahead and do them lashes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blow on them and simply just placing them on. Then I'll just do the other eye, and the eyes are done. I decided to use the lipstick I use in my carry-on bag, so I'm simply just grabbing it out of my bag, and this is such a cute look. This is a vampire red, and it's so pretty. The Santa hat almost didn't fit because it's a little small, but luckily I was able to put it and fix on my bangs. And we are done, girlies. Let me go ahead and give you a full shot of this fit. Look at her slaying. Oh my god, Mrs. Claus is shaking. This is such a cute fit. It's such a cute makeup look. Honestly, this one is probably one of my favorites. 10 out of 10.